Hello, my lovely creative friends. Welcome back to my cozy world of handmade art and natural beauty. Today's video is going to be so special. We are trying to show you beautiful wall decoration using a wooden piece, pine cones, or even buttons. Add some crafting materials using a wooden piece, pine cone, jute, burlap. This is all about nature, creativity, and mindful designing. It's rustic, elegant, and full of warmth. Perfect for your home, living room, your bedrooms, or even festive decorations. So let's begin this journey of crafting love with simple materials that tell a beautiful homemade story and beautiful handmade story too. Before we start, let's talk about the beauty of natural crafting. Wood, jute, and pine cones, they are gifts from nature. When it brings them together, we create something that news only artistic but also calming to the soul. Wood gives natural strength and grounding. Pine cones brings depth, depth, and the scent of the forest. And jute burlap adds that rustic charm that makes your decor look handcrafted and organic. This combination of elements connects your home to nature. It feels peaceful, earthy, and full of warmth. Let's talk about what we need for this beautiful wall decor project. You will need a wooden base or plank. Any old or recycled wood piece will do. Add some buttons, some crafting ideas, some colors, some dollar shop style, dollar tree style, make your own product. Pine cones, add some burlap, small and dried, large and green. Add some pine cones, add some colors, jute burlap for wrapping bows or background texture, hot glue guns, scissors, and a few decorative beads or ribbons. Now place your wooden piece on a table, cover part of it with burlap fabric. Add some buttons, not fully, just enough to create a natural background texture. Use your glue gun to attach it neatly, leaving some edges rough for that rustic charm. Next, arrange your materials maybe in heart shape or circles or a vertical line. Whatever feels right to your design. Once you are happy with the layout, glue them gently in place. You can also add small flowers, leaves, or jute twine knots for extra beauty. And just like that, your simple materials start turning into a beautiful handmade decoration. Now comes the fun part. Styling. You can hang your wooden piece as a centerpiece on a plain wall or combine it with two smaller pieces on each side for a balanced aesthetic look. If you are making it for Xmas, add tiny fairy lights, red ribbons, and white paint. Add some buttons, add some jute burlap, keep it natural. For everyday decor, add some, and also I remember I add some snowy touch. For everyday decor, keep it natural with beige, brown, and green tones. You can also write small words like home, love, or peace on the wood using paint or wooden letters. Each creation will reflect your personal touch, your story, your art, your emotion. Crafting with natural materials has so many beautiful benefits. First, it's eco-friendly. You are recycling and reusing that what nature already provides. It keeps waste low and supports a sustainable lifestyle. Second, it creates a Thank you, be a part of this journey, and we will definitely try to upload whatever you want to watch. So thank you for watching. Thank you once again. May your home fulfilled with love, happiness, and mostly happiness. And keep crafting, keep smiling like a star. Wishing you a very happy holiday, and bless you all. Take care of yourself and your family members. God bless you all. Take care of yourself. Have a very nice and beautiful journey. We are trying to definitely upload whatever you want. Thank you for watching. Stay blessed.